Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change font in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to go to your online store, just click here. Now go to themes. Now here you can see we have simple theme. We want to change font, so simply click on customize. So after this, wait for a few seconds. So here you can see the image banner and all these options available here. So in this section you can easily change the font of your theme. So just go down, you can also add multiple options here. You can also align the text here. So on the left side you can see the text setting option. So once you change the completely font of theme, it will be appeared on your main Shopify store. So in this way you can easily change font in